Hey everyone, welcome back to InvestoSphere, your go-to place for smart financial tips and real-world money strategies. Let me ask you a quick question. What would an extra $1,000 a month do for your life right now? Would you pay off debt faster, save for your dream vacation, or finally start building that emergency fund? In 2025, having just one income stream isn't enough for most people. That's why side hustles have gone from being optional to absolutely essential. In this video, I'm going to show you 10 proven and realistic side hustles that can help you earn at least $1,000 per month, even if you're working a full-time job or juggling responsibilities. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are real opportunities, tested and trending in 2025, that people across the US are using to boost their income every month. So grab a drink, sit back, and watch till the end, because I promise, one of these side hustles could completely change your financial life. Side hustle number 1, freelance writing or content creation. Let's start with one of the most flexible and profitable options in 2025. Freelance writing. In a content-hungry world, companies are desperate for good writers. Blogs, newsletters, social media, website copy, product descriptions, you name it. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, People Per Hour, and LinkedIn are full of clients willing to pay anywhere from $50 to $500 per article. You don't need a journalism degree. If you can communicate clearly, follow instructions, and write in a friendly tone, you can start earning. Many freelancers build a portfolio using AI tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT to help structure or edit their writing, then charge $100 plus per post once they get reviews. If you write 3 to 4 articles a week at $250 each, that's $1,000 per month easily. Would you consider writing as a side hustle if you could work from home and earn that kind of money? Side hustle number 2, selling digital products. This is the golden age of passive income, and digital products are leading the way. Think printable planners, Notion templates, budget trackers, ebooks, online courses, or even AI-generated tools. What makes it powerful? You create it once, and you can sell it over and over again without shipping, inventory, or overhead. Websites like Etsy, Gumroad, Payhip, and Shopify make it super easy to get started. The key is to find a niche, for example. Budget planners for single moms. Fitness meal trackers for busy professionals. Study guides for nursing students. If a product solves a problem, it will sell. Even if you sell just 50 items a month at $20 each, that's your $1,000. If you could create one digital product to sell, what would it be? And who would it help? Side hustle number 3, remote customer support / virtual assistant work. Next up, let's talk about remote customer support or virtual assistant VA work. Tons of startups and solo entrepreneurs need help managing emails, calendar scheduling, social media replies, customer service chats, and data entry. And they're willing to pay $15 to $30 per hour for reliable help. If you can stay organized, type quickly, and communicate professionally, this hustle is wide open in 2025. Sites like Belay, Fancy Hands, Remote.co, and even Facebook VA groups are full of job listings. Most VAs work 10 to 20 hours a week. Do the math. At $20 per hour, you could be earning $1,000 per month on top of your day job. And the best part? Many of these gigs are flexible, part-time, and 100% remote. If someone paid you $25 per hour to manage their calendar or customer messages from home, would you do it? Side hustle number 4, print-on-demand pod store. Print-on-demand is one of the most beginner-friendly business models out there. You create a design, and companies like Printful, Printify, or Teespring handle the printing, shipping, and even customer service. You can sell t-shirts with motivational quotes, coffee mugs for pet lovers, phone cases for gamers, tote bags with funny phrases. The trick is to find a niche and connect emotionally. For example, instead of generic funny shirts, try funny shirts for nurses, and now you're selling something people will feel personally attached to. Many creators use Canva or AI design tools to create art quickly and test what sells. At $10 to $15 profit per sale, you only need 70 to 100 monthly sales to hit that $1,000 goal. Totally doable if you market on TikTok, Pinterest, or Instagram. If you were to launch a merch line or store, what niche or message would you focus on? Side hustle number 5, teaching or tutoring online. If you have knowledge, you can monetize it in 2025. You don't need to be a certified teacher. If you're good at math, English, coding, graphic design, SAT prep, piano, or even resume writing, you can teach it. Platforms like Weezant, OutSchool, SuperProf, Cambly, and even Zoom plus social media allow you to teach one-on-one or in groups. Rates vary, but many tutors earn $20 to $60 per hour, depending on the subject and demand. Imagine teaching 5 hours a week at $50 per hour. Boom, that's $1,000 per month. You can also record your lessons once and sell them as a mini course on Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. What's one skill you have right now that you could teach others and get paid for? Side hustle number 6, Airbnb experience host or local guide. If you live in or near a tourist-friendly location, you could become an Airbnb experience host. This means giving walking food tours in your city, offering yoga classes in the park, hosting a photography session, sharing historical or ghost tours, leading bike adventures or hiking trips. Many hosts charge $25 to $100 per person. Even with 10 clients a week, that's well over $1,000 per month. It's also fun, social, and builds your local reputation. Bonus, you don't need to own property. This side hustle is all about experiences, not rentals. If someone visited your city, what unique experience could you offer them that they couldn't find on Google? Side hustle number 7, short-term flipping, online arbitrage. This one's all about buying low and selling high, and it still works like magic in 2025. It's called online arbitrage, and here's how it works. You buy products on sale or clearance from Walmart, Target, eBay, Facebook Marketplace. You resell them on Amazon, Poshmark, Etsy, or Mercury. You pocket the profit. You don't need inventory management skills. You just need to research what's trending and find deals. There are even tools like Jungle Scout or SellerAmp to help you estimate what will sell best. People flip electronics, shoes, books, kitchen gadgets, collectibles, thrifted fashion. Flip 25 items a month for a $40 profit. Each equals $1,000. Simple math. Have you ever flipped anything online? If not, what's one product you'd be confident flipping for profit? Side hustle number 8, faceless YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most powerful platforms for passive income. And the best part is you don't even need to show your face. Faceless channels are thriving in niches like horror storytelling, personal finance, celebrity news, meditation and relaxing sounds, motivational quotes. Here's how it works. Use AI tools for script writing and voiceovers. Use royalty-free videos or AI visuals. Upload consistently with attention-grabbing titles and thumbnails. Once your channel is monetized through YouTube ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships, even a small audience can make you $1,000 per month or way more over time. Think of it as digital real estate, content that keeps earning for you while you sleep. If you had to start a faceless YouTube channel today, what niche would you pick and why? Side hustle number 9, subscription box service. People love surprises. That's why subscription box businesses have exploded. You curate products around a theme like self-care and skincare, pet treats, coffee blends, fitness snacks, book lovers goodies. Services like Crayjoy help you set up your own subscription box website, while Shopify offers plugins to manage inventory and recurring payments. You only need 50 subscribers paying $20 per month to hit the $1,000 mark. The key is a unique, well-branded theme and high perceived value. You can even white label products, buy in bulk, or source from local artisans. What kind of subscription box would you love to receive each month? And could you turn that idea into a business? Side hustle number 10, local service business with a twist. Not all side hustles need to be online. In fact, offline services can be some of the fastest ways to earn $1,000 per month. Think mobile car detailing, lawn care, dog walking or pet sitting, gutter cleaning, pressure washing. Now here's the twist. You can add tech and branding to stand out. Accept payments via Square, or Stripe. Promote with local Facebook groups or Nextdoor. Add a Google business profile for SEO. Offer subscriptions, e.g., weekly cleanings. You can charge premium prices if you appear reliable, clean, and easy to book. What simple skill or local service could you offer in your neighborhood that solves a real problem? Let's run through all the side hustles we covered. Freelancing your skills. Affiliate marketing with content. Digital products or templates. Print-on-demand merch store. Teaching or tutoring online. Airbnb experiences. Online arbitrage, reselling. Faceless YouTube channel. Subscription box business. Local service business with a twist. Whether you're creative, tech-savvy, a good speaker, or just hardworking, there's something here for everyone. The trick is to start small, stay consistent, and keep learning as you grow. All right, if you made it all the way to the end of this video, give yourself a pat on the back. You've just unlocked 10 powerful ways to make $1,000 per month in 2025 without quitting your job, without needing a massive budget, and without waiting for the perfect time. Here's what I want to know. Which side hustle do you think fits your lifestyle best? Are there any ideas you'd add to this list? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I reply to everyone. And if this video gave you value, hit that like button, subscribe to InvestoSphere, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future videos like this. Until next time, stay smart, stay consistent, and build the life you deserve.